The Sahaba said, in several hadith, they said, on a bright night in the middle of the month, full moon, the moon is bright and beautiful. It's called Badr, this full moon. And they said they would look to that beautiful bright moon, and they would look to the Prophet ﷺ, and they would look again to the moon and look to the Prophet ﷺ. And they said his face was brighter than the moon. The light of the Prophet ﷺ, brighter than the moon. Because his light was the first thing created. Everything else was created from that light.